welcome to my channel. I went to Walgreens, you guys. I actually am pretty happy with my haul. It did not become a money maker, but I got everything for $5 hairs, you guys. $5 for everything that I got, I think is awesome. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. I really wish I could bring my reusable bags, but I can't. And when this whole virus thing stops and we can start using reusable bags, I have a bunch of them that I'm gonna be doing as a giveaway. I might even be making some coupon bags. So we will see, you guys, we will see. But the first deal you guys definitely want to check out is the Poise or the Pens Silhouette. These are on sale for $5.99. We do have $3 off coupons that came in on our inserts. Plus we also got, sorry, my things on my dashboard just told me a warning about something. Anyways, but we also have $3 off printables, I think, or they were $2. I cannot remember, but you guys want to use the insert coupons. You guys would just get these for 99 cents. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you guys will get points for buying those. So that is a great deal. I feel like we always get those all the time, which is nothing wrong with that. Captain Crunch. I really wanted to get the honey bunches of oats, but the coupon did not work for that. But there's currently a 75-cent off digital coupon or a printable coupon from coupons.com. These are $1.99. You guys use that 75-cent off coupon. You guys would just get this for $1.24. I think $1.24 for a box of Captain Crunch is a pretty good deal. Walgreens has been my go-to place for cereal. Like, I find it that I buy more cereal at Walgreens than I ever have in the past. Okay, let me just get this stuff. I'm putting it all in my one reusable bag as I'm unboxing everything for you guys, so it's easier when I bring it in the house. So I ended up doing the Crest Toothpaste deal and the mouthwash. Now it is a moneymaker if you guys use 2 paper coupons and one digital, but I had 2 paper coupons and the digital one worked, so I had them give me back one of my paper coupons, if you guys understand, because I just wanted to do it this deal. But you guys can do however you want. I know not everybody gets, I get 4 inserts a time every time I buy newspapers, but it just depends on what works out better for you guys. So these were $3 a piece. I used 2 $2 off coupons and a $1 off coupon, all from the January P&G. You guys would pay $4 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward. A $4 register reward for buying 3 of them, where they come out to be just, I lost my spot, 98 cents. So 98 cents, 33 cents a piece, I think is a pretty good deal. Usually we should say never pay for toothpaste, but you know what? There's other things that make up for it, so I was pretty proud about that. I did the Colgate deal. I got a Colgate toothpaste and I got a Colgate mouthwash. These were $3.99 a piece. I used a $1 off coupon and a $1 off coupon from today's inserts. You would pay $5.98, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, where these come out to be just 98 cents. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. The Crest was free. The Crest was free. I have them right next to each other. But these come out to be just 98 cents. Now, I was going to do a toothbrush instead of the toothpaste, but my store was completely sold out of Colgate toothbrushes. Weird. Super weird. But that's okay. 98 cents for the both of these. We will take it. So now there's 2 different deals that I wanted to do for the L'Oreal, and I was so excited they had this one. This is by far my favorite shampoo by L'Oreal, but the conditioner was all like splattered all over the place, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna get that. So I ended up getting I got one of these because I'm still super happy with this, but these were 2 for $8. Now I did 2 separate transactions because there's actually a $4 off digital coupon. It just depends on what you guys want or if you're brand loyal. But these were 2 for $8. I had a 3 off of 2 printable coupon. They're also from inserts. I don't get those coupons, but you guys want to use that coupon. There is a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. you guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys are brand loyal, go for it. But there's also a $4 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. So 2 for $8, you use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon and the 2 off of 2 Walgreens coupon. These come out to be just $2 or $1 a piece. Great deal. Usually I say $1 is the way to be. And here is my other bottle of shampoo and conditioner. So I got that. Okay, I ended up doing the Annie's macaroni and cheese. I have so much macaroni and cheese right now. Graham and I are about to donate a bunch of it to a family in need because we have so much of it. So these are 2 for $3. Usually you can get these cheaper at Pick and Save or Target, but I just wanted to share with you guys on this because some people do most of their shopping at Walgreens. 2 for $3. There is a 50-cent off a 2 printable coupon that you guys can use. There is also a digital coupon, so you guys can use either way. But you would just get these for $1 a piece, so $2. So $1 a piece I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, usually this stuff's better for you than the craft. Anyways, so yes, I did the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7. You guys want to use a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, or if you guys have those in your inserts, go for it. But a 3 off a 2. And then there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so it'll apply to both items times 2. So you guys would just get these for $2, so that's $1 a piece. It's been a while since I got Garnier Fructis, so I was excited for that. RollAids, you guys, like, my husband lately has just needed these like crazy. He always takes like a couple a day every time he eats pizza or sauce. He's like, Jennifer, next time you get me some more RollAids. And I'm like, okay. Well, I got the ones at Walmart for him the other day, and they're like with gas or something. He's like, I don't know about these. And I'm like, well, Graham, those were the only ones that they had. But I'm excited to do these deals. So this is on sale for $5.99. It's an all-month deal. But we have a $2.50 off digital coupon that you guys can use, or there's the printables, and those printables do end, I think, on the 9th, so make sure you guys check that out. But you guys would just get this for $1.49. Now, when she scanned this, I actually had a $3 off Catalina coupon printed off, so I went and grabbed another one, and there was a $2 off digital coupon. So I bought 3 of these just because my husband can shut his yap. I now officially have enough for him to last a year if he takes one at a time. But you guys, I just did this in one separate transaction because I forgot to grab these. With my employee discount, I got all 3 of these for $1.27. I'm like, Graham, there you go. I got him. I got you, Graham. I got you hooked up. So I did that deal. I got the BIC pens. These were $2.99. They were buy one get one 50% off. We have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would just get these for $1.48 or 75 cents a piece. I like the clickables, but some of you guys don't, so I wanted to show you guys different deals. Okay. I ended up getting the deodorant deal. Now watch out, because some of these were 2 for $12 and some of them were 2 for $10. This lady just sitting in her car staring at me. It's like, okay, go in the store. But 2 for $10, these 2 were. I used a 4 off a 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. You guys would end up paying $6, but then you'll get a $2 register reward for buying these. So they come out to be, I forgot my spot, $4, so $2 a piece, which is an okay deal. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you'll get points with that. So yes. And then I got this candy deal that I want to share with you guys, but I have wait to get to that. So I ended up doing the Tresemme, okay? I bought 4 of these bottles. These are currently $3.99. I used 2 4 off of 2 coupons that we got in today's inserts. You guys would end up paying $7.96 for both of these, or for 4 of them, but then you get $4 cash. So basically you get $4 in points back. Comes out to be just $3.96 or 99 cents a piece. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points for that. So I did buy 4 of those. Now, there is a deal with the Gillette. Hold on, let me get to this. I did 2 separate transactions because I think it was a good deal. So there is a Venus. These are each $9.99. I thought the ad said there was a $3 off digital coupon, but there was not. So you end up getting these for, there's a $4, I'm losing my track of mine. You guys will get a $4 off digital coupon. So if you got these with the $4 off digital coupon, where did I write this down? You would pay $5.99 for the both of these, but you guys will get $5 in points, or you'll get a $5 register reward, no, a $4 register reward when you guys purchase one of these. So you guys will get a $4 off register reward, making these 99 cents. Now if you use that $3 off digital coupon, I had to unclip that. It'll come out to be just $2.99. So I think for $1.99 for these, I think is a pretty good deal. So I was excited for that. Sorry you guys, I messed up on my math, so I had to stop the video and redo it. So this came out to be an even better deal than I thought. So I got these Pond's dry skin. Make sure you guys scan them, because I scanned the one bottle and the one bottle was not included for Ibotta, but this one was, so make sure you guys scan it. So these are $5.99. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. We have a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts, so you guys would pay $5.98, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So if you guys need some Ponds, go for it, and you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you guys will get points for that. I got some diapers. These diapers were on clearance at my store for $6.49. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. So I paid you guys would pay $9.98 for this. But then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta times 2. So you guys would just get these for $6.98. Not the greatest deal for you, but for what I got them for, I think that was a great deal. But I mean, you can't go wrong with diapers. You cannot go wrong with diapers. Now this is the last deal that I did, you guys. Now there is a deal in Shopkick. I was gonna do this deal at Walmart the other day, but my store was completely sold out of these items. So I don't know if it's I think it's a better deal at Walmart, if I did my math correctly. But anyways, these are all 2 for $6. You don't have to buy them evenly, so I bought these $3. So right here you got $9 worth of candy. So you guys would pay $9 for this. But with Shopkick, you guys will get 1,200 points for buying. You'll get 400 points for buying each product, and then you get 15 points for scanning it. And then if you buy all 3, you get an additional 175 points for buying all 3, which is equivalent to 1,420 points, which is comes out to be $5.68. So your grand total for these will come out to be just $3.32. That's $1.10 a bag, which I think is a pretty great deal considering you get this is the bigger bag of the Skittles, you get the sharing size of the M&Ms, and then you get the minis of the Snickers. So I was pretty excited for that deal. There's a kid sitting right next to me who's just staring at me like, what the heck are you doing? I'm like, doesn't most people have cameras in front of their faces these days? So anyways, my total came to $43.16. I got $7.50 with Ibotta. 50 cents I had for any receipt. For Shopkick, I'll be getting $5.68. I got $4.94 for points, and then I got $24 of register rewards for buying all the products. So my grand total actually came out to be $1.04. I got 36 items for $1.04. That's 3 cents a piece. I think that's a great deal, which I was pretty excited with that. So if you guys enjoyed my Walmart or Walgreens Ibotta haul, also if you guys do the baggies, they're on sale again for buy one get 2 free. For a while there, they were just buy one get 1 free. So definitely check that out if you guys need the bags. My store was completely sold out of a lot of them. I was gonna do the deal to share with you guys, but they didn't have a lot of them to choose from. So I'm like, you know what, that's okay. I still have a ton to choose from anyways. But again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next week for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.